What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a haircut tutorial. This one's gonna be how to do a shadow fade with a comb over and a hard part. Alright, so right now we're just gonna section off where the hard part's gonna go, comb the hair down. We're gonna knock down the sides to a 2 just to debulk everything, get it all nice and even. We're gonna follow that all the way through the head. So for the lowest guard we're going to use is a number 1 guard. Typically use a half for a shadow fade, but with his hair texture and density, a number 1 works pretty good. So we're going to do a number 1 all the way across, and this is what's going to start our shadow fade. Next, we're going to open up the lever all the way with that same number 1 guard, and we're going to go all the way up, flicking out as we get to that guideline that we created with the number 2 guard. And if there's still a faint line between that, go ahead and close the lever about halfway through. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and just knock down the beard and get out of the way. We're going to remove it all the way with the number 3 guard. Next, we're going to start balding out the back and the sides because we're going to be doing a bald taper just to transition into the shadow fade. So right here, I got my Gamma Evo trimmers and I'm just balding them out. And then since I'm ready here with the trimmer, I'm going to go ahead and punch in the hard line. This is a little bit different with flow of how I decided to cut his hair, but next I'm going to go on moving to the top because I want to get the structure of the hair since he hasn't came in for a couple months. There's no really structure to his hair. So we're moving on to the scissor work, and right here I'm just removing all that length on the side, keeping my hands parallel, coming off of his head shape, and I'm just removing all that excess from the 2 to the longer hair. And I'm not going in too deep, so like the top of the hair is going to flow nicely. I'm not cutting the cowlick short. Right now we're just tying up the sides, and later on we're going to come in and clip over comb from the 2 to the scissor over comb or scissor over hands that we're doing right now. Here we're going to remove a little bit of length from the bangs. We want to remove, he wanted to cut about like 1.5 inches to 2 inches off the top, probably about 1 inch, 1.5 inches. So that's what we're doing right here, and then this is going to start our guideline for the rest of the haircut. But guys, we are coming in close to 100,000 subscribers. We're at, I believe, 86,000. So we're getting close to 90. If you guys are new to the channel and you came across this video, hit the subscribe button. We come out with daily or weekly content with, you know, haircut tutorials, beard tutorials, ASMR videos. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, like the video if you guys do enjoy this. And when we do hit 100K, we're going to be doing a big giveaway. I want to try giving back to as many of you guys because I truly appreciate the support. I'm going to try doing maybe like, you know, a 3-person or maybe a 5-person giveaway where you guys, you know, could get either a package, whether it's like a beginner's package for clippers, you know, hair products, or we could do, you know, some type of PlayStation giveaway again, or, you know, something like that. Comment down below what you guys recommend, and, you know, we'll go and do that when it comes to the giveaway. But right now, after we did the scissor cut, we blow dried his hair in 2 directions, and like I said, now we're doing that clipper over comb, pulling our comb off of his head and just removing that excess, and as you can see, it blends in really nice. And then before I do my low tapers, I like to go ahead and just edge everything up real quick. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. And these are the new X Pro gold blades that Stylecraft came out with. I'll leave a link down below for you guys. Now moving on to the tapers on the side and the back. We're pretty much just blending to a 1, so I'm gonna just have my blade completely open, close it down until that line's completely gone, and after that go ahead and use your half guard or your 1/16 guard and just remove whatever dark spots that you need to remove, and that will help with having a flawless blend. Also, if you guys are curious, this is my hands down my favorite clip to go to now. It's my Gamma Rebel or my Stylecraft Rebel clipper. And I have the Filthy Blends mod on there so I can use these double magnetic guards that I just absolutely love. Now when it comes to blending the beard, it's going to be the same thing. Blade open, use your number 2 guard because we use the number 3, and then go down to your 1 guard, open, close, and then your half guard, open to close. We're going to finish off with doing some razor work, just get all those lines that we just created very detailed and sharp. I am using a Turkish razor right here. These are our new Turkish razors, they're pretty fire. The gold with the blue or the gold with the red really pop, really like them a lot. So if you guys do want to copy yours, go ahead, that'll be down below as well. But this is absolutely my favorite razor. As you can see, look how crisp that line is. And a lot of people are always curious about what that white line is. It's just their skin, usually when they wash their face and they have clear or clean skin, and you put a razor to it, it's gonna give that ash look, and that just helps to see, making sure the lines are symmetrical on both sides. Now we're just gonna finish off with some pomade. This is the Joseph Signature line pomade as well, or this might be the clay, and I'm just gonna run that through there, give it like a very light shine, but really good hold. I love this comb as well. This is just the 3-in-1 comb. It's got the white tooth on there and the fine side, so I really like this comb. But this is gonna add that texture and waviness look to the hair. But that's it, YouTube. This is how my client came in, and this is how he left the shop, looking fresh. Haircut looks on point. I really like the shadow fade to it. But if you guys did learn something new, you guys enjoyed that video, hit the subscribe button, like the video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm out.